Hey, what's up guys? Manny from BidGoDrive, and today I'm going to show you how to submit an offer on our website, bidgodrive.com. Once you're on our website, you just got to find the vehicle that you're interested in. Let's use this S6 for an example. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to the vehicle details page. On top of the main image, there's going to be a bunch of buttons. One's called Make an Offer. Hold on, let me zoom in for you guys. There you go, you can see better. Just click on Make an Offer button and form's gonna pop up. Please ask all your questions before submitting an offer. BidGoDrive.com is not an auction or an online bidding site. BidGoDrive has the right to accept your offer, reject it, or make a counteroffer. Accepted and counteroffers are usually followed by an email or phone call. Okay, so let's submit our offer. You just gotta fill out the form. Manny. Email, phone number, offer price. I'm gonna offer $14,500 for this vehicle, and then you could leave comments here if you want, but that's optional. And just know by submitting your offer, you agree to our terms and conditions. So we're gonna click on submit. There you go. It was submitted. Your offer has been submitted, $14,500. Thank you, Manny. Your offer is under review. One of our sales representatives will contact you within 24 hours. And that's it. It's as simple as that. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. So that's it for today, guys. Until next time.